Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Current Affair Quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, what methods were used to confirm the species of the rediscovered frog in Condinia Wildlife Sanctuary? Visual identification and ecological footprint analysis, morphological comparison and DNA barcoding, acoustic analysis and environmental sampling, or genetic sequencing and habitat modeling. The correct answer is option B, morphological comparison and DNA barcoding. Researchers used morphological comparison and DNA barcoding tools to confirm that the species of the rediscovered frog is the Sri Lankan golden-backed frog, ensuring accurate identification through scientific methods. Next question, who made history as the first Indian space tourist and the second Indian to venture into space? Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, or Gopi Thotakura? The correct answer is option D, Gopi Thotakura. Gopi Thotakura, an Indian expatriate from Andhra Pradesh, became the first Indian space tourist by joining the crew for Blue Origin's NS-25 mission, making him the second Indian to venture into space. Next question, what must MPs do to get the Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme funds released? Submit a petition to the Prime Minister's office, approach the district administration with project details, directly request funds from the Ministry of Finance, or submit their project proposal to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The correct answer is option B, approach the district administration with project details. MPs must provide the district administration with information about the projects they want to pursue, and the district administration then approaches the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation to execute the recommended projects and release the funds. Next question is, who are money mules in the context of online fraud? Hackers who create fake websites, cybersecurity experts working undercover, law enforcement officers tracking cyber criminals, or innocent victims duped into laundering illegal money? The correct answer is option D, innocent victims duped into laundering illegal money. Money mules are innocent victims tricked by fraudsters into laundering stolen or illegal money through their bank accounts. Next question, what is the theme of this year's International Day for Biological Diversity? Sustaining all life on Earth, our biodiversity, our food, our health, be part of the plan, or biodiversity and sustainable tourism? The correct answer is option C, be part of the plan. This year's theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity is be part of the plan, calling on various stakeholders to showcase their efforts in supporting the implementation of the biodiversity plan. Next question, what are the two types of flamingo species primarily found in Mumbai during migration? Greater and lesser flamingos, Caribbean and Andean flamingos, American and Chilean flamingos, or James and Puna flamingos? The correct answer is option A, greater and lesser flamingos. During migration in Mumbai, the two primary species of flamingos found are greater flamingos and lesser flamingos. They are attracted to the Thane Creek area for feeding, where they primarily consume algae from the mud flats during low tides. Next question, what is primary amoebic meningoencephalitis caused by? Bacteria, virus, fungus, or amoeba? The correct answer is option D, amoeba. Primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or PAM, is caused by an amoeba called Naegleria fowleri. This amoeba enters the body through the nose and can lead to a rare brain infection with serious symptoms. Now moving on to next question. Which region received the initial shipment of the malaria vaccine from the Serum Institute of India? South Asia, Central Africa, Southeast Asia, or North Africa? The correct answer is option B, Central Africa. The initial shipment of 43,200 doses of the malaria vaccine from Serum Institute of India was dispatched to the Central African Republic region, followed by other African countries such as South Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Next question, what is the primary objective of the Copernicus program? Monitoring Earth and its environment, humanitarian aid distribution, space exploration, or weather forecasting? The correct answer is option A, monitoring Earth and its environment. The Copernicus program aims to monitor the Earth and its environment by collecting data from satellites and other sources to provide valuable information for various applications including land management, marine environment, emergency response, security, and climate change. Next question, what is the significance of the feather auctioned in New Zealand? It belonged to a rare bird species. It was used in indigenous cultural practices. It was exceptionally large in size, or it was made of valuable material. The correct answer is option A, it belonged to a rare bird species. A rare feather from the extinct New Zealand huia bird has been auctioned, making it the most expensive feather ever sold at auction. Next question, what is the purpose of Malaysia's orangutan diplomacy? To promote palm oil production, to improve Malaysia's environmental image, to establish cultural exchange programs, or to showcase Malaysia's wealth and power. The correct answer is option B, to improve Malaysia's environmental image. Malaysia's orangutan diplomacy aims to enhance the country's environmental image by demonstrating concern for the endangered orangutans whose habitats are affected by palm oil production. Next question, what is the significant difference in lifespan between turtles and tortoises? Turtles live longer than tortoises. Tortoises live longer than turtles. Both have the same lifespan, or turtles and tortoises have unpredictable lifespans. The correct answer is option B. Tortoises live longer than turtles. Tortoises generally live much longer than turtles with lifespans up to 300 years compared to turtles 40 years. Next question, what parameter is not included in the Global Cities Index? Economics, sports facilities, human capital, or environment? The correct answer is option B, sports facilities. The Global Cities Index includes parameters such as economics, human capital, quality of life, environment, and governance. Sports facilities are not included as a parameter in this index. Next question, what types of scams are commonly reported in India according to the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center? Health scams, real estate scams, investment scams, trading scams, digital arrest scams, and dating scams, or education scams. The correct answer is option C, investment scams, trading scams, digital arrest scams, and dating scams. According to the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, commonly reported scams in India include investment scams, trading scams, digital arrest scams, and dating scams. Next question, what is the role of the economic capital framework adopted by the RBI? To determine interest rates, to manage foreign exchange reserves, to determine the surplus transfer to the government, or to set inflation targets. The correct answer is option C, to determine the surplus transfer to the government. The economic capital framework adopted by the RBI helps in determining the surplus transfer to the government. It provides guidelines on how much surplus the central bank should transfer to the government based on various factors and economic conditions. Next question, which country took over the chairmanship of BIMSTEC after the 5th Leaders Summit? Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, or Thailand? The correct answer is option D, Thailand. Thailand took over the chairmanship of BIMSTEC after the 5th Leaders Summit. Next question, what are rangelands according to the UNCCD report? Natural or semi-natural ecosystems grazed by livestock or wild animals, artificial ecosystems created for livestock grazing, urban areas with sparse vegetation, or coastal areas with mangrove forest. The correct answer is option A, natural or semi-natural ecosystems grazed by livestock or wild animals. Rangelands are natural or semi-natural ecosystems grazed by livestock or wild animals containing vegetation such as grasses, shrubs, bushes, open forest, and agroforestry systems. Next question, what is the name given to the well-marked low-pressure area in the Central Bay of Bengal as per the IMD bulletin? Cyclone Fithai, Cyclone Remal, Cyclone Amphan, or Cyclone Taukte? The correct answer is option B, Cyclone Remal. The well-marked low-pressure area concentrated into a depression over the Central Bay of Bengal has been identified as Cyclone Remal by the IMD. Next question, who is the author of the novel Kairos, winner of the 2024 International Booker Prize? Jenny Erpenbeck, Selva Almada, Itamar Vieira Jr., or Hwang Sok-yong? The correct answer is option A, Jenny Erpenbeck. Jenny Erpenbeck's novel Kairos won the 2024 International Booker Prize. Last question is, what family does the newly discovered plant species Emblica chakrabarti belong to? Rosaceae, Phylanthaceae, Solanaceae, or Astraceae? The correct answer is option B, Phylanthaceae. Emblica chakrabarti belongs to the Phylanthaceae family as mentioned in the provided information. This family includes various plant species, and the discovery of Emblica chakrabarti adds to the diversity within this botanical group. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.